Everyone, so today we'll be covering is your patent idea patentable? And there's the USPTO essentially has four different requirements that you have to deal with. The first two aren't really too hard to deal with, but the two we kind of have to deal with right now are novelty and unobviousness. Novelty is basically your idea has to be something new, per se. For example, if you're combining two different products into one, that works for novelty. For example, if you make something like combining a flying toy with a pencil and you make a flying pencil that flies to your hands when you snaps, that works as well. Basically, it just has to be a new idea. So unobviousness is the one we kind of have to deal with, and this one is basically saying your product should not be really obvious to people who are already in the field. And this is why I recommend that if you're doing something, it's better if you're making a patent, it's better to patent something in your own field so you know about everything there. For example, let's take a water filter and say you add a new component to the water filter feature, and when the person reviews your patent, it shouldn't be so like obvious and be like, oh, why didn't I just think of that? It should be like something that they never could have thought about, or something that isn't just like blatantly obvious that everyone's thought about. And that's basically unobviousness, literally what it says, unobvious. And if you got those two covered, then you're basically good. Your idea should be patentable.